So yeah, let me take you through schedule.cc. It's an application where one can schedule appointments very easily. Basically, it's an appointment scheduling software for businesses. Of course, any freelancer can also use this. So let me take you through features, pricing, integrations, and also I'll be showing you how to use this application in your business. So first, let me go through features. So it has got AI assistant, event scheduler, meeting planner, appointment scheduler. So let us go through each and everything and explore what it is all about. So first of all, coming to AI assistant, artificial intelligence assistant, it has inbuilt AI assistant which can automatically send reminders to you. So this will make our work easier, right? So if we have scheduled a meeting or if you have scheduled an event, if we get automatic reminder that this event is scheduled in so and so time, so our work will be easier and we'll be getting an instant alert. Okay, I have to go to that meeting, and you'll also be getting email alerts. One of the most important and the feature that I like the most is time zone detection. So if I am in US and if I want to schedule a meeting with, say for example, a person in Australia, so the time zones are different, right? So our AI assistant will track easily, and you can schedule and communicate, coordinate easily with varied time zones. So our AI system will help you in this way greatly. Intuitive scheduling, like when you type something, it will automatically show, okay, this is the one that I have to. So 24 by 7 booking rep. So one can, if you have scheduled an event, one can book 24 by 7. So this is one of the key features of AI assistant. And coming to event scheduler, so you can schedule varied types of events. Like for example, if it is a personal interview, so it would be one on one, or if it would be like five members panel and one member interviewee, right? So you can schedule such kind of events, or you can schedule team meetings. You can schedule group events. We have meeting rooms as well. So this can help you in having various kinds of events, not just limited to one kind of event or something like that. One can organize one to many and many to one on one meetings as well. And next is meeting planner. So when we say meeting planner, we have got different systems like business hours. So if you want to particularly limit an event to business hours, you can limit that. Say for example, okay, my business hours are generally treated as uh, 10 to 5 or whatever it is. So you can just limit, okay, events should be in this time span only. And also you can have recurring time intervals. So we have automate your working hours with desired time intervals. Say for example, I just want a slot of 30 minutes. You can have a 30-minute slot or something like that. And you can have a cap meetings, like avoid working overworking. Like you can say, okay, this is the time, this is the limited number of events per day. So you can cap that as well. So this is basically about meeting planner. And moving on to appointment scheduler. So one can schedule group scheduling, like easily schedule one can easily schedule meetings with multiple people, experience like seamless integration of coordination and all. Calendar view, like whatever you events you have, you can see in the calendar view. So that would give a brief overview of what are all the meetings that you have. And we'll also be having share calendar. You can share the calendar with other members of your team, or other members of your other members, like who have, if you want to share calendar, you can share it. So these are all the brief overview of free features and all. So when it comes to pricing, it is priced at $14.99. But it's not just one application. It is included with 30 plus applications in sales, marketing, support, productivity, HR, engineering. We have covered everything for a business. So in this $14.99 per month per user, you will be getting 30 plus applications which have all these features, like no feature cap. Like we'll be providing you complete end-to-end features. Like we'll not be limiting you certain features and all. We will be giving you complete features. You'll be having 24 by 7 email, chat, phone support. No credit card is required basically. That's a good thing, right? So this is the pricing, and we have also got 30,000 plus active users, and for data centers and global time up to 99.99%. So when it comes to integrations, so this is the pricing. Let me show you pricing. Like you must be surprised. Like it's just 14.99, and I'm just claiming that you can use all the 30 applications in for just $14.99. Okay, let me also show you that thing also. But just before going to that, let me show you integrations. What are all the integrations that Schedule currently support? We are currently working on this, and we are working on getting more and more integrations as well. Currently, we have three integrations, that is Google Calendar, Office 365, GoToMeetings. So these three are the integrations that Schedule CC is currently providing, and we are also working on many other integrations to to integrate in this. So as I've told you, these are all the 30 plus applications, and we are also working on some other applications to make our work easier. So when you sign up in this, you will be getting Infinity Suite login board dashboard. So this is the login dashboard that you will be getting after you sign up. So here you can see productivity. Like here you can see productivity, marketing, sales, developer, and all, right. So if I click on productivity, you can see all the applications that productivity is currently supporting the Infinity Suite: marketing, sales, developers, and we also have other extensions and plugins. So let me just show you some examples. Okay, let us go to Hip Social. It's social media management software. So I can have all my LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everything here, and I can link them, and I can directly schedule meetings, and I can directly schedule posts from one dashboard. I need not go to Facebook individual. I need not go to LinkedIn. I can schedule here as well, so that you need not always, like, you can schedule for a week or for a month at a time, and you can just leave it. So it will automatically be posted at that particular time that we have scheduled. And when I go to, say for example, let us see some other example and move to Schedule CC. Ninja SEO. It's basically a website SEO crawler. So basically, it will crawl maps, it will page grade, it will see the keywords and all. It will also rank the pages, rank the keywords and all. So let us move to Schedule CC. Like, what is it about? Like I've told you, it can ease your appointments, right? So all you'll be getting this dashboard, and all we have to do is add an event. Let me add an event by naming Amar. You can choose one to one or one to many. So let me choose one to one right now. So description as, you can say job interview, or let us say I'm a doctor, and I just wanted to have my patient to book my appointment. Okay, so you can book at this time, or you can give anything that you wanted to. I just gave this an example. And meeting duration, so I have meeting duration as 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 60 minutes. I can also have custom duration. Say for example, I just wanted to have 10 minutes, or I wanted to have 30 minutes. So uh, it's like OP, right? Like OP, we do have OPs for doctors appointments. So it's like person to person meeting. I can enter address. For time being, if I'm due to this COVID situation, I'm going online or phone call meetings. I'm just having phone call. Attendee shall call me, or schedule CC will collect phone number and I will call. So this is the one. So let me choose attendee shall call me, or if attendee shall call me, I have to give my phone number, right? So okay, schedule CC will collect the phone number and I will call. Save. So continue. Okay. So how many days I am free? So if I'm a doctor and I'm in some other state, say for example, or I'm in some other country. So I'm a doctor in US, and I just wanted to go to UK and have my appointments there for 30 days. Like I'm open for UK customers as well, UK patients as well. Say for example, for 30 days. For a month, I am open to UK customers. Start date would be today, and time zone I can select whatever time zone that's for me. And weekdays. I can limit here as well. Calendar days in the sense every day. Business days, I can limit business days. So it would be like Monday to Friday, excluding weekends. I can also select weekends only. So it would be like possible, right? So I'm a doctor and I just see US patients in weekdays, and I just look after UK patients in weekends. So that's pretty much possible, right? So we have these three options right now. So let me select business days, Monday to Friday, and I'll just say continue. Okay, buffer time. It's optional. You can give 5 minutes buffer time or 10 minutes buffer time you wish, and start time increments. So it would be like this. So I am a patient and I have booked a slot for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes you will be getting any. You can choose how much time you want free. So I can say 10 minutes. So after 30 minutes I'll be free for 10 minutes, and again an appointment should be booked, right? So this is it. So these are all custom fields which you can fill optional, so you can finish it. So that's it. I have scheduled an appointment. I've scheduled an event. So what I'll do is I'll just go to event booking link. So this link, you can integrate this link with your company page. That would be like seamless integration. You can seamlessly integrate this page with your company page, so that your whenever a doctor, like I'm a doctor, Mr. Amar. So whenever a patient click on my name or my image, like it will be directed to this page. Okay, I have 16, 16 to I have 17. So these many days I have appointment openings. So let me see 16 or 17. Let me see. So I've got all these appointments. So if you can see 8 to 8:10, 8:10 to 8:20, 8:20 to 8:30. So these are all the timings. So 10 minutes appointment slots. So if I say 2:10, so my appointment will be booked at 2:10, and I have to give my name, email ID, phone number, random thing. Also because we have made it phone call, right? So schedule CC will automatically source the phone numbers. So that's the reason why it is asking for phone number. If you have booked for personal meeting, it would not have asked the phone number. Just name and email ID would be sufficient. So I'll just submit. So once a customer submits this, both the customer and the event booker, or like whosoever the attendee and attender, both the persons will be getting a email notification. So this is it all about scheduling an appointment, event scheduler, schedule CC, and we are also having, now you can see here. Okay, so I have an appointment at June 16th, 2:10 p.m. Okay, so booking ID is 5:35, name Amar, email ID Amarna717, start time is this one, end time is this one. Okay, location, description, and everything. So I've got 30 minutes appointment, right? So 2:10 to 2:40. I've got 2:10 to 2:40 appointment. See, the event is scheduled. If I want to delete it, I can delete it. So this is all about schedule CC. And similarly, we have other websites also which my colleagues will be dealing. I hope it's pretty much clear now.